Hey y'all, I hope that everyone's doing well. Today's gonna be a great day because we're making creamy, cheesy, delicious, loaded seafood potato wedges. And I know that name's a mouthful, but I promise it'll be the best mouthful that you've ever had. Alright, I got some washed red potatoes. To get that wedge shape, go ahead and cut it in half laterally, cut that half in half, and cut those halves in half again. Once done, you'll get these beautiful potato wedges. Now I have Tona's injectable Creole style butter and Tona's Saccharis spice and herb seasoning, and let me tell y'all that if y'all are looking for flavor, it's all right here. Generously season the wedges with both, then combine thoroughly. Get a greased baking sheet and place your wedges skin side down, then bake them at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for an hour. You could also fry them, but this is easiest for me since they still come out crispy on the outside and fluffy on the inside, just like me. Alright, for the sauce, we're using Tona's Creole Alfredo as the base. Pour in 2 cups of milk, and you could use regular butter, but I'm using Tona's Creole butter because extra flavor. Pour in the Alfredo packet, then combine and simmer till thick. This will take no more than 5 minutes. Now I got some crawfish from a seafood bowl and some beautiful lump crab. Pour in the crab and crawfish, reserving a little crawfish to garnish. Add a generous amount of cheddar cheese, then combine for a minute, adding more milk if you want to thin it out, but I like them thick. You could also add some parsley and some of Tona's spice and herb seasoning if you want to elevate it even more. Go ahead and plate the wedges, add on as much sauce as you want, top it with more cheese, those extra crawfish from earlier, some green onions, and voila, decadent, rich, gorgeous, loaded seafood potato wedges. Trust me on this one, it's absolutely immaculate. Bon appetit. I hope y'all enjoy, and if you like the products in this video, check them out at tonysaccharis.com.